What happens if water gets into the engine? Engine performance increases. Internal combustion engines use a water injection system to improve performance and control engine temperature. The water sprayed into the combustion chamber evaporates and lowers the temperature. This cooling effect reduces combustion temperatures and thus allows the engine to run faster. Lower combustion temperatures reduce the risk of early ignition and allow the engine to run at higher compression ratios or with more turbo pressure. This improves overall performance.